tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, a half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Mix well. A half kg boneless chicken cut in cubes. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add marinade chicken. Cook on low flame. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, cook until water is dry. One capsicum cut in cubes. 1 onion cut in cubes. 2 tomatoes cut in cubes. Cook for 2 minutes. Tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 cup tomato paste. A half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. A half teaspoon chili flakes. A half teaspoon chicken powder. 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons chili sauce. Cook on low flame until oil separates. One cup water. A half cup water and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Stir continuously. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Add chicken and vegetables. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes.